Let's address the question of whether Rocket Lawyer is a legitimate and trustworthy service. In today's digital age, numerous online platforms offer legal assistance, and it's natural to inquire about their credibility and effectiveness, especially when dealing with important legal matters. Rocket Lawyer is an online legal technology company that provides individuals and small businesses with access to legal documents, legal advice, and attorney services through a subscription-based model. The core of their service revolves around offering a library of customizable legal documents that users can create and manage themselves. These documents cover a wide range of needs such as business formation papers, contracts, wills, and real estate agreements. The process generally works as follows. Account creation. Users typically begin by creating an account on the Rocket Lawyer platform. Document selection. Once logged in, users can browse or search for the specific legal document they require. Questionnaire completion. For the chosen document, Rocket Lawyer provides a guided questionnaire. Users answer a series of questions relevant to their situation. Document generation. Based on the user's responses, the platform automatically generates a customized legal document. Review and download. Users can then review the generated document, make any necessary edits, and download it for their use. Optional legal advice. Depending on the subscription level, users may also have access to ask attorneys specific legal questions related to their situation or the documents they've created. This usually involves submitting a question online and receiving a response from a licensed attorney. It's important to understand that while Rocket Lawyer can be a convenient and cost-effective way to access basic legal documents and get preliminary legal guidance, it is not a substitute for comprehensive legal representation from a dedicated attorney. The documents generated are based on general templates and may not fully address the nuances of every specific legal situation or jurisdiction. The legal advice offered through the platform is typically limited in scope and may not involve the in-depth case analysis and ongoing support that a traditional attorney-client relationship provides. When using online legal services like Rocket Lawyer, it's crucial to carefully review all generated documents and any legal advice received. If your legal matter is complex, involves significant financial risk, or requires specific expertise, consulting directly with a qualified attorney in your jurisdiction is always the most prudent course of action to ensure your rights and interests are fully protected.